Before making a screen recorder, make sure that you have these modules in your machine. If not, then please install these modules. These modules are datetime, NumPy, CV2, Win32 API. After installing it, follow me. Type with me import datetime from PIL, import ImageGrab, import NumPy as np, import CV2 from Win32 API, import GetSystemMetrics.
Width equals GetSystemMetrics 0, height equals GetSystemMetrics 1 time _ stamp equals datetime.datetime.now. strftime %y%m%d%h%m%s, file _ name equals ftime_stamp. mp4forc equals cv2.video_writer _4chem, p4v, captured _video equals cv2.video_writer file _name, forc, 20.0, width, height. Webcam equals cv2.video capture 1 while true, mg equals ImageGrab.grab bbox equals 0, 0, width, height, img_np equals np.array img_final equals cv2.cvt coloring _np, cv2.color_bgr2rgb, frame equals webcam.read fr_height, fr_width, equals frame.shape img_final 0 fr_height, 0, fr_width, smile equals frame 0, fr_height, 0, fr_width, smile cv2.im show secret capture, img_final. Captured _video.write img_final, if cv2.wait key 10 equals ord q, break and your screen recorder is ready. I will put the source code in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.